Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another forex trading video for you guys. In this video I'm gonna share with you another powerful trading setup which my secret market scanner identified way in advance. As you can see, currently I'm in the EURCAD chart.
Get my manual trading system absolutely for free. Yes, you heard it right. Get it absolutely for free. You just have to follow the simple 4 steps. Number 1, you have to smash the like button. Number 2, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 3, you have to join my free Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. And number 4, you can message me on my Telegram that you have done all the 4 steps, and then you will be given my manual trading system absolutely for free. Remember, this system was sold for more than $500 to some of my clients. Now this is your chance to get this trading system absolutely for free. This is the same system from which I have done wonders in my trading career. So if you are serious about trading and this is your chance, this is a very limited time opportunity. You can avail this opportunity and do some wonders in your trading career too.
And according to my system rules, EURCAD was a sell for the day, and look at that how it reacted from one of our system rules. It went down more than 120 pips after touching one of our moving averages. If we go to the shorter time frame on the 1 hour, look at this how it reacted from this resistance zone. The price went down and broke this. The price went down and broke this support area, which now become resistance, and once it touches this area, boom, it went down more than 120 pips. So this is how my secret market scanner identifies way in advance the particular pair for the day. So you can make tons of money using my secret market scanner. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.